following minutes later.
What the fuck is going on, everybody? This is Sick Boy Sam and Mona. You know I can't forget about Mona. Anyways, you guys, today I want to talk about beginner bikes and if the Ninja 400 is a good starter bike for anybody who's never ridden a motorcycle before. A lot of people tend to be bullied by these people who have been riding for years into thinking that they need to ride a 1000cc bike. And you don't. You fucking don't, man. If you have no experience, don't be stupid, dude. Don't feed into the peer pressure, trying to look cool, or you just want to look cool in general and you want to be appealing to fucking ladies and dudes and motorcycle riders and all that shit. Look cool online and be like, yeah, I got 1000, I got an R1, I got the Gixxer 1000, boy. Like, shut the fuck up, dude. I've had this bike for a little over a year, about a year and 4 or 5 months, somewhere around there, and I still love it. A lot of people told me that you were going to outgrow a 300 or a 400cc. This is a Ninja 400 2019, okay? And I kind of agree with outgrowing the power. You're gonna get used to it, but me personally, I have not outgrown this bike. You know what I'm saying? You do not need no 1000cc bike unless you're gonna have a track bike, or you just have that much experience to where a bike like this is just not fun to you. But as a beginner bike, definitely. If you watched my Kawasaki demo tour video, I rode the Ninja 650, and after riding that bike, I honestly feel that the Ninja 650, possibly the R7, the Duke KTM 690, or the CBR 500R, or the Ninja 400 are all perfect beginner bikes. You know what I mean? They're all lightweight. They're under 100 horsepower. All right, you guys, I'm gonna finish washing Mona and then we will get right back to this. So anyways, you guys, what I was talking about is these beginner bikes that I believe that any brand new rider can start out on. You know, I really think the Ninja 650, CBR 500R, KTM Duke 690, Ninja 400, R7, all of those are perfect for beginner riders. You know, if you want to start off on something smaller, go for it, man. Don't be peer pressured by these big bike riding people who have been out here and have 10-20 years experience and want to say like, oh, you need a bigger bike, you're gonna get tired of that bike. Yeah, you know how many people have tried to tell me that I'm gonna outgrow my bike? I love my bike. I love my fucking bike. You know what I'm saying? Like, it does everything that I need it to. It gets me where I need to go, and it goes plenty fast, and it's pretty fucking dope looking too. Like I said, you guys, this bike goes plenty fast. speed limit in San Diego, California, I think almost everywhere in California, on the highway, 65. Of course, not all of us do this, but I pushed my bike to 135. If you Google the top speed of a 2019 Ninja 400, it's going to tell you top speed is 105 miles per hour. And that's bullshit, because I passed that by 30. All right, speed limit is 60 fucking 5. Okay, all right, that's 70 miles per hour over the damn speed limit. You know what I'm saying, dude? Like, wait, is that 70 or more? 70 or more? I can't do my math right now. All right, don't judge me. So disregarding all the bikes that I mentioned, the Ninja 400 is a decent bike. Like I said, it goes plenty fast, gets you where you need to go. It's light, it's flickable. I've been able to escape a couple close calls. I ain't wearing no jacket today. I do got a hoodie in my backpack, but it's warm, man. It's nice. I'm trying to enjoy the weather. I hardly got to ride like the past month. You know, it's been cold in San Diego, it's been raining, so I'm enjoying it right now. Fucking light, bro. Trying to make a video here, but I highly suggest you guys to start up on something small, something under 80 horsepower. You know, something lightweight, under 400 preferably. That way you get used to moving the bike. You get comfortable moving the bike and leaning with it and turning and stopping and putting your feet down and not worrying about dropping the son of a bitch. You know what I mean? You don't want to have to worry about that shit. You know, once you get comfortable with the smaller bike, then yeah, upgrade. But if you want to start up on something big, I ain't your daddy, I ain't your guardian. Do what you do, man, but just be careful. Just be very careful. Keep in mind that a stronger bike doesn't move as quick as a lighter bike. And if you don't know how to steer away from danger, that strong bike's not gonna do it for you, man. So just be careful out here, because motherfuckers don't care about us. They really don't. They really, really don't. But I do. I care about you. I care about all of you, because I got a big heart. And I got a big... It is a very, very beautiful day to ride a motorcycle. Oh damn, what? Why do you look familiar? Nah, you ain't you. You ain't who I thought you was.
Came to the right spot, start the day right.
I know, man.
That thing's super clean.
Thanks, dude. I just washed the motherfucker. It's been sitting, dude. It's been raining, man, so there was no point in washing it.
Yeah, I feel you, I feel you. I try to wash my bike and my shit gets dirty like instantly.
Serious.
I don't know if it's 'cause I got red or like, I don't know, it always happens though.
Yeah, man.
Enjoy it, man. Have a good day.
You too, dude. Ride safe.
Of course, yeah, you too.
Groms are cool, man. They're fun little bikes. Helix, everybody. Too bad I couldn't get like a decent ass picture with the crossless background behind Mona. But the one on Mount Soledad, yeah, that one for sure I can. I hope all of you guys who are thinking about taking in motorcycle riding, I hope you all do it. And I hope this video, maybe if it gave you a little insight on beginner bikes, I hope so. All of those bikes, go ahead and check them out, man. You know, do a little research before you buy something. Don't allow somebody who's been riding for 10 plus years to tell you to start off on a 700 or a 1000. Don't do that. Make that decision on your own. But please, please don't. double think that shit, man. Anyways, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, man. San Diego is beautiful. I love you. Peace out, everybody.